Good morning, Mary Woodward Eagles, and welcome to our virtual assembly here at Mary Woodward. This is an opportunity for us to get together, even though we're not live together, all in the cafeteria. This is our next best thing, and we're having an opportunity to connect and have everybody watch this at the same time and try to build our school spirit and our school community. Today you'll have an opportunity to learn a little bit more about rainy day recess expectations and what happens when we have rainy days here at Mary Woodward. And then also a little bit more about Soaring Eagles and what our Soaring Eagle program is all about and what does a Soaring Eagle look like at Mary Woodward. We'd love to have a whole bunch, I was going to say flock, but I don't think eagles fly in a flock, a whole lot of Soaring Eagles. And also to remember at all times, we are being safe, respectful, and responsible here at Mary Woodward. And I also wanted to just let you know how very proud I am of each and every one of you and how hard everyone is working. I greatly appreciate everyone working together and working so hard through this tough school year that we've had these last couple years. And we're going to look forward to having a really wonderful rest of this school year for the end of the 2021-22 school year. We have a number of months still to go, but we're looking to have a wonderful rest of the year. Thank you for joining us for this virtual Mary Woodward School Assembly, and have a wonderful day.
Please join us as we all sing together the Mary Woodward School Song.
What is a soaring eagle?
A soaring eagle is a student that does the right thing every day and works hard, and their teacher will nominate them because they notice that.
A soaring eagle takes turns.
A soaring eagle plays fair.
A soaring eagle is someone who always does the right thing even when no one is looking.
Soaring eagle follows directions in class. Good manners.
A soaring eagle includes others. Yadi, do you want to turn?
Yes, please. Thank you. Each class will have a poster explaining how to become a soaring eagle.
If you are chosen as a soaring eagle, your teacher will let you know. Then Mr. B or Mrs. W will come get you from your class. We will bring you to one of our offices and do a special interview where we get to know more about you. Your interview will be put on the Soaring Eagle wall along with a picture of you. You will also earn a Soaring Eagle bracelet that you can wear.
sometimes we need to have rainy day recess. Today we're going to talk about what the expectations are for when you have recess inside. When you arrive at your rainy day recess location, make sure to use inside voices. Then settle straight into an activity that you enjoy doing. Rainy day recess is not the time to use the makerspace supplies. Please find other activities to do during rainy day recess. Make sure to share your toys. Never be running around in the library or the makerspace. And another thing we're not going to do is we're not going to throw paper airplanes when we're inside at rainy day recess. When recess is over, make sure you help clean up. Not just the stuff you got made a mess with, but if your area is clean, go help someone else clean up their things. That helps us be ready so that the next group of kids don't have to miss some of their recess while you are still cleaning. So, our rainy day recess rules include: use inside voices, keep walking feet only, settle into an activity and stick with it. Please don't make paper airplanes or use the makerspace supplies. Share the toys and handle them responsibly. And finally, help clean up, even if you're not the one who made the mess.
At Mary Woodward, school spirit can be shown in many different ways. One way is the way you dress at school. Whether it's Mary Woodward clothes with our school name on it and our eagle, or by wearing our school colors, orange and blue. Showing school spirit at Mary Woodward includes also being safe, respectful, and responsible in the hallway, with our hands to ourselves and our voices off, as seen in this video here. Another way to show school spirit at Mary Woodward is to work hard in class and focus the whole time, as seen in this 5th grade classroom in Mrs. Johnson's class. At Mary Woodward, showing school spirit also includes helping others and including them in games.
Hey, do you want to come play with me? Sure.
At Mary Woodward, we also show school spirit by being responsible and cleaning up after ourselves, as you can see here. Nice job.
Well, I am happy to introduce this next special guest. It happens to be my wife, Mrs. Nihil.
Hello. I've come to visit you today and help guide you in some breathing and relaxation, some gentle stretches that you can do at your desk. Hello, Mary Woodward Eagles. I'm Mrs. Nihil, and I'm here to teach you some breathing and relaxation exercises that you can practice together or on your own at your desks at school. So let's start with by sitting up tall And as you breathe in through your nose, take your chin forward and your shoulders back, really reaching. And as you breathe out, round and peek down at your belly button, shoulders come forward. Breathe in through your nose, shoulders down, chin forward, opening your heart. Breathe out, peek down at your belly button, shoulders come forward. One last time. Breathe in, really opening up. Breathe out, peeking down, rounding. And then we'll come back to our starting place. Let's take our left hand behind us on our chair, right hand to the outside of your left knee. And as you breathe in through your nose, grow tall. And as you breathe out, turn and look over your shoulder. Breathe in, grow tall, grow towards the sky. Breathe out, turn and peek over your shoulder. And then coming back to center, starting in our starting place, take your right hand behind, your left hand outside of your knee. Breathe in through your nose and grow tall. Out and turn, maybe gazing over your shoulder. Your next breath in, growing up tall like a flower growing towards the sun. Breathing out and turning and peeking over your shoulder. And then turning back to center, standing up and pushing your chair in. Down at your feet, root down through your roots like a flower root. Stand up tall. We're going to make some big circles with our shoulders. Shoulders up, shoulders back, down, like a big circle. Think of a big circle. Really moving your shoulders. You can bend your elbows a little bit if you want. I even bend my knees a little bit. Oh, that feels good. Turning your head a little left and right. And then let's reverse the direction. So take your shoulders forward. Oh, that feels so good. Turning your head a little bit. That's right. Oh, beautiful. Very nice. Okay, coming back to our starting place. Roots down, flower roots go deep. Hands together at heart center. Grow tall like you're growing up towards the sun. Breathe in, breathe out. Bend at your waist. Bend, you can bend your knees a little bit. Bring your hands down towards your toes. Feel your roots be underneath your heels, and then breathe in and grow tall again. All the way up, grow tall. Breathe out, your hands come back to your starting place. Palms together, beautiful. Breathe in, grow tall. Up towards the sun. Breathe out, bending at your waist, bringing your hands down to your feet. Breathe in, press down through your roots and grow tall again. And then breathe out, your hands out to your sides and back. One more. Breathe in through your nose. Breathe out, bend at your waist, coming forward. Root down through your roots and breathe in, grow tall, up towards the sun. And then breathe out, bring your hands out to the sides and back to where we started. Nice job. Let's come and sit down one more time. We're going to be practicing square breathing. So we're going to use our index finger on our knee. And I invite you to either keep your eyes open or closed. I'm going to close my eyes. So we're going to use our finger to draw a square with our breath. So take a nice deep breath in through your nose, and with your finger draw up the side of the square, pausing in the corner. Breathe out, draw across the top of the square, pausing in the corner. Breathe in deep through your nose, breathe, drawing down the side of the square. Breathe out, draw across the bottom of the square, pausing. Breathe in, draw up the side of the square. Breathe out, Draw across the top of the square. Breathe in, draw down the side of the square, pausing in the corner. And breathe out, draw across the bottom of the square. And then rest both of your hands, palm down. Take one more deep breath in through your nose. And then breathe out. Opening your eyes if they're closed. Thank you for letting me join you today. You can practice these movement and breathing exercises anytime. Have a great day.
Thank you for joining us, Woodward Eagles, for our first virtual school assembly. We hope you have a great day and remember to be safe, respectful, and responsible.